Max was a curious cat who loved exploring his neighborhood. One day, he found a large jar of peanut butter left on a porch. Intrigued, he decided to investigate. As he tried to dip his paw into the jar, his head got stuck. He meowed and flailed, but the jar wouldn't budge. Max wandered around with the jar on his head, bumping into things and causing a commotion. The other animals in the neighborhood gathered, watching the spectacle. A squirrel named Sammy, known for his cleverness, approached Max and said, "Hold still, I'll help you out." Sammy climbed on Max's back and carefully tugged the jar. With a pop, the jar came off, and Max's face was smeared with peanut butter. All the animals burst into laughter. Max, though embarrassed, licked his face clean and joined in the laughter. The moral of the story is that sometimes we need a little help from our friends, and it's okay to laugh at ourselves when things go wrong. A sense of humor and the support of others can make life's mishaps more bearable.